This is the opening of Horror Made Here, a Festival of Frights. Are you ready to scream? Then it is with great pleasure that I introduce Danny Kahn and Gary Sola.
My name is Gary Sola. I'm the Director of Marketing here at Warner Brothers Studio Tour Hollywood.
And I'm Danny Kahn, the Executive Director at Warner Brothers Studio Tour Hollywood, and we're so thrilled to have you here to join us for the launch of Horror Made Here.
We truly want to differentiate ourselves as a Halloween attraction here in Southern California, and what better way than to throw a party on the Warner Brothers backlot, truly hallowed ground. And this event is all about storytelling, and we have some great stories to tell. You and our guests will step into and relive the most terrifying scenes from the most iconic horror films ever created. Let the scares begin!
Get out of my town, loser!
That's not a frown I see, is it, young man? Because if it is, you'll end up in the wheel next. Anyway, campers, as we make our way onto the entrance of Camp Crystal Lake, I like to sing a song. If you know the words, please be sure to sing along. 1, 2, Freddy's coming for you. 3, 4, better lock your door. 5, 6, grab your crucifix. 7, 8, gonna stay up late. 9, 10, never sleep again. Welcome to your new nightmare, campers.
No, go! Save yourself! No, please, no.
I didn't know when I did.
Gather round, get as close to the stage as possible, because it is time for Act 1 of our feature presentation, The Ultimate Rivalry, starring your leading divas, Betty Davis and Joan Crawford. On Halloween in 1962, Warner Brothers released Whatever Happened to Baby Jane. It is the one and only film to star both Warner Brothers divas, Betty, and Joan. So without any further ado, we would like to welcome to the stage Baby Jane Hudson performing A Letter to Daddy. And I believe that Blanche Hudson is lurking somewhere backstage, prepared with a song of her own. Please scream as loud as you can for your leading ladies of Warner Brothers!
I've written a letter to Daddy. His address is heaven above. I've written, dear Daddy, we miss you and wish you were with us to love. Instead of a stamp, I put kisses. The postman says that's best to do. I've written a letter to Daddy saying I love you.
Gather round because it's time for your feature presentation. This is The Ultimate Rivalry, starring leading ladies of Warner Brothers, Betty Davis and Joan Crawford. The behind-the-scenes stories of the rivalry between Betty and Joan on the set of Whatever Happened to Baby Jane are that of legends. So now we've brought them back from their crypts, here to come to the stage and discuss living in the golden age of Hollywood. So ladies and gentlemen, scream your heads off, get really loud for the leading ladies of Warner Brothers!
Oh, welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Horror Made here at Warner Brothers. Buckle up, ladies and gentlemen, it's going to be a bumpy night. What a jump.
You call it that.
Hello, Lucille.
Well, when I see how casually you're attired, I guess my enthusiasm for a little table read has run away with me.
I can clearly see that. You can go straight from day to night in that getup.
Miss Davis. She looks old enough to be my mother. One look at her face and you'd think she'd never had a happy day or night in her life.
I shouldn't laugh at you, should I? But when I first saw you, you were so awkward I couldn't help it. You know, and I feel terrible for anyone stupid enough to be taken in by a lot of old tricks. Tina! Oh, bring me the axe!
Yes.
You know, just because you happen to be jealous and throwing drama all over the room.
Don't with me, fellas!
Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for your leading ladies of Warner Brothers. Weren't they fabulous?
Okay, here we go. So, Warner Brothers, today's the day the clown cried. But he cried not for the death of one man, but for the death of the whole theme park.
Party going, DJ Ricky Rocks, myself, MC Tyler. Let's go.
Say hi.